History's Hiccups, Part 30. So, before becoming Norway's king, Harald Hardrada, the last great Viking, led an extraordinary life as a member of the Byzantine Varangian Guard. Fleeing Norway after a battle loss, young Harald journeyed to the Byzantine Empire, joining this elite unit of fearsome foreign warriors. Rising through the ranks, he fought across the Mediterranean and Middle East, gaining wealth and combat prowess. His adventures took him from Sicilian battles to possibly the Holy Land. Returning to Norway in 1046 with his newfound fortune and skills, Harald seized the throne. His remarkable journey from a Varangian warrior to Norwegian king illustrates the Vikings' wide-reaching impact and the medieval world's interconnectivity. Harald Hardrada's saga, culminating in the pivotal Battle of Stamford Bridge in 1066.